Next is compression tools. So what are compression tools? Compression tools are utility programs that reduce the size of files and folders for efficient storage and faster transmission over network. Means you can easily transfer the file from through emails. If you use the compression tools, it reduces the size of the file, so you can share a large amount of file using a small compressed space. What is the function of compression tools? The functions of compression tools are data compression, archiving, decompression or extraction, and password protection. So what is data compression? It uses the algorithm to reduce file size like zip file or RAR, and archiving means it combines multiple files into a single compressed files. Decompression or extraction, it means restoring the compressed file to their original form. And password protection means it offers encryption features to secure archived file. So what are the compression tools? Example is WinRAR, ZZip, 7zip, WinZip, PZip. Windows built-in compression tools are also can be obtained in this way. Right click, then send to compressed folder. Okay. Now what is the importance of compression tools? It save disk space. Obviously when you reduce the file, your disk space also reduces. Speeds up file transfer. You can easily transfer file through email or internet. Makes data organization more manageable and useful for data backup and storage.